Guys, what's up? I just want to share how I created the Hungry Caterpillar Days of the Week for Blythe. Just in case, y'all want to do it as well. I also made it into like a little lesson that went along with the book. It was a great review for numbers 1 through 5 as well as the days of the week. So it's very beneficial. So yeah, in case you're interested, I'm just showing y'all how I did it. I used a big can and some colored construction paper I got from Dollar Tree. Made my circles to create my caterpillar, and the way I set it up was for each day the caterpillar ate something different. And so for Sunday, the warm sun popped up and he ate one nice green leaf. So I put the sun on Sunday as well as the green leaf on Sunday, just so that way it could kind of tie in the thought that, after Saturday is always Sunday again. But I just used the construction paper and drew out my fruit. If you don't have construction paper, you could definitely use regular colored paper and just, color it. You could have your child color it or whatever your preference is. So yeah, I did choose to laminate this because it's the way I'm doing it, I'm making it interactive. So I did choose to laminate it for longevity purposes. However, if you just want to put this in your house or something like that, you don't have to laminate it. You could just boom, stick it to the wall. Your kids can see it. And super easy, super peasy. So after I did all of these little things, I went ahead and I cut them out. After cutting them out, I did let Blythe glue them on. And then I went ahead and I used the lamination machine that I showed you guys in my previous video. And I went ahead and laminated it. By the way, in case y'all don't read the description, I definitely found cheaper sheets and a cheaper laminator. So I linked those in the description. I will make sure I link that same stuff in this description as well to help y'all out. So yeah, another thing I did, I doubled mine just so that the caterpillar could have some dimension to it. So I just mixed my light shades of green with my darker shades of green, and I did put a green one behind the red face of the caterpillar as well, just to add some flavor, some make it more interesting to look at on the wall. I did record the activity of us doing this together. I'm going to put it on Blythe's channel, and I will make sure that I link it in the description. Ouch. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I link it in the description. She pretty much knows the whole book by herself and she can count already, but repetition is great. Having it displayed is great. That way they could see it, and you know how they say out of sight, out of mind. So I definitely want to make sure that I keep little stuff up around the house that she could see all day, because with her interactive notebook, once we're finished with it, we just close it and then that's it for the day, unless I give her quote unquote homework or something like that. But it's usually a worksheet. It's not in her workbook. So this other stuff, I do want to make sure that it is displayed at all times, just to, kind of keep it on her mind, since, she's not going to school or anything. But yeah, so I ran into an issue with this. I don't know why I made it so hard on myself with the connecting of this caterpillar, but I wanted to connect it with prongs so that way it could like slither. I don't know why. You could definitely just take the pieces and tape them to the wall, or you could just staple them. If you're not gonna laminate it, then you can just glue the paper together. And I think if you laminate it, you could probably use hot glue to connect it if you want. But yeah, the other thing issue I had with this part was making sure that I didn't really make sure that there was enough space once Blythe added the fruit and all of that, for it to be connected the way I wanted it to connect. So I did have a little bit of trouble, but I made it work. I'm super excited about like how this whole thing came out. I hope you guys love it. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just letting her connect it with the gold prongs, and then I am going to show you how I'm going to use this every day with her. If you remember, well, I'll just wait and let y'all see that part instead of talking through this whole part right here. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe and share this video, leave comments, or if you have any like more homeschooling tips or anything like that, feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks, you guys. Love you. Bye. So here's a quick rundown on how I am going to use this hungry caterpillar. So I have to add some more Velcro on these, but basically this is the idea, right? So here we have, today is Wednesday, right? Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. So the stars for today, yesterday he had less food, so, or the day before he had less food, so it's a small caterpillar, he ate more food, so he got bigger. So it's also, I guess, teaching the concept of, you know, getting bigger as you have more. So it's a little bit of math and today versus yesterday, all of that good stuff. So hopefully this helps you guys. Yeah. It's so cute. That is so stinking cute.